Let's start our English lessons in grade 6. Competency level 6.6 uses adjectives appropriately. Let's see what is this child saying. I have a small book. I have an interesting book. I have a red book. I have a rectangular book. I have a useful book. I have 2 books. I have a beautiful book. What is she saying? She's saying about the books that she has. The noun is book, but there are so many words to describe the book. The first one, the size of the book is given, a small book. Second one, we like to read the book, so it is interesting. So we called it an interesting book. Next one, the color of the book is given, a red book. Now move to the next one. We can gain many things from the book, so it is a useful book. A beautiful book. There are so many pictures, they make the book beautiful, so we call it a beautiful book. 2 books. The number of the books is given, 2 books. A rectangular book. The shape of the book is given. It is like a rectangle, so we called it a rectangular book. So, what do you say about these words? They describe the noun book. Adjectives. So, let's learn about adjectives today. Let's read these words. Small, red, interesting, 2, beautiful, rectangular, useful. All these words describe the noun book. So we call these words adjectives. Book is a noun. Here we can see the adjectives have placed before the noun. Small book, red book, interesting book, beautiful book, rectangular book, useful book. 2 books. We can use adjectives with the singular nouns and the plural nouns. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe the nouns. Adjectives tell us about nouns. When you read these things, you can find about it. Size, color, number, how something feels, how a noun looks like, how something tastes, how something behaves, how something smells, what is the shape of the noun. So, all these can be described by using adjectives. Let's use some adjectives with some nouns. A tall tree, 5 small ducklings. a furious tiger, a happy man, yellow bananas, a land river. When we are using adjectives with nouns, we have to think about the noun and the adjectives. We should use suitable adjectives with the nouns. Let's use adjectives in sentences. This is a high mountain. This mountain is high. There is a big rock. The rock over there is big. Now, in the first two sentences, this is a high mountain. It describes the picture. The second sentence gives the same meaning, but it has started with the noun and the adjectives has placed after the be verb. This mountain is high. Same meaning, but we write in different way. This is a high mountain. This mountain is high. Look at the second one. There is a big rock. The rock over there is big. So, here also, these two sentences give the same meaning, but they have written in different way. I have a heavy bag. My bag is heavy. I can see a colorful ball. The ball is colorful. Look at the pictures. Then read the sentences again. Then you can guess the meaning. I have a heavy bag. My bag is heavy. Same meaning, but they have written in different ways. I can see a colorful ball. The ball is colorful. Here also the same meaning, but they have written in different way. So you can write the sentences like this. You can use these two structures to write the sentences. In this lesson, we learned many adjectives. We did many activities. You got practice how to use adjectives appropriately. So children, try to use more adjectives with nouns. Thank you. Goodbye.